Hi, I'm Leiann King, and we are going to be making yummy, spicy coriander chicken. So what I have in here is 2 pounds of chicken breasts, and they were pretty fat chicken breasts, so I actually cut them. I'll show you about the size I did it. I sliced them in pieces about this big, just so that the marinade could like soak in better, so it would taste really, really yummy. So I have it in this big giant gallon zip bag. I'll set this over here. And now inside of this bowl, I'm going to mix all our spices and everything. So I have here 8 tablespoons, which is 1 big cube of butter, if you have it that way. And then I have 5 whole cloves of garlic that we've minced. Put that in there. I'm going to use my finger because I can. And then I have 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. This makes it very yummy. And then this is where the spicy comes in. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I have, how much turmeric? I have a 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Turmeric is so good for your heart. It's just fantastic. So is cayenne pepper. Like, this is a really good heart healthy dish. It really is. And I have chopped green pepper. And this is more like an Anaheim chili pepper. And then I have lemon juice. And lemon juice really helps tenderize your chicken. So we have, how much lemon juice? I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you can use, to tenderize your chicken, you could either put lemon juice in there, or you could even put apple cider vinegar when you're making a marinade, because either one of those will help break down and tenderize the meat. So we mix this all together, and then we add our, I almost forgot, our 1 drop of coriander oil. 1 drop, only 1. Come on. It's just hanging there. I know you're just dying to see. Well, go from this angle. I don't want to get too much in, so I'm just trying to go slow. There we go. 1 drop. Did it. All right, so now I'm going to mix this all up. And then I love Ziploc bags for marinating. I don't care if it's meat, vegetables, fruit, whatever. Because you can mix it around really, really good and actually sort of massage it into your food. So I try to squish all the air out. And then I zip this up. Make sure it's zipped tight and good. Alright? And then you can just sort of mush it into the meat. That's really, you want to make sure that all the meat gets covered. And so I mix it around, mush it in there. And then we're going to go put it in the fridge. I have a magic fridge. So I put it in the magic fridge, and then all of a sudden, bing! It's like 2 hours went by, or even 24 hours. Isn't that amazing? So then I go and I get the chicken out. And I like to put my glass pan on top of a cookie sheet before I put it in a preheated oven. I have the oven already preheated, I believe, to, do I? 350. And then you just pour this in here. And if you roll this and squeeze, start out here squeezing this, or you can cut it open. But this is a really cool way to get all your sauce out. You just keep rolling this and squeezing it down. And you will get all your marinade stuff in there. And it just makes it a lot easier. And you just keep doing that all the way down the bag. I made that up all by myself. Pretty proud of myself. See, look at that. I'm getting the very last bits of the sauce out of there. Pretty awesome. And I didn't even make a big mess. Okay, so now I can spread this chicken out in this pan. You can spread it out in a bigger pan if you want to, but this still works. And actually having the chicken closer together keeps it moister. And if you want a really moist chicken, you could actually put a tinfoil cover over this. And we're gonna put it in our magic oven. And I'm gonna leave it in that oven for 30 minutes or until it's done. And voila, this is what it looks like. Doesn't that look yummy? Garnish it with some cilantro, because we know that cilantro is actually coriander, right? Before it gets the seeds. And Justice, come here. This is Justice, and he is gonna take a bite of this chicken. I'm just gonna let him take a big old bite right out of it. Chew it up. Smile if it tastes good. Okay, is it 1 thumb, 2 thumbs? How many thumbs up is this? All right, you got it from the pickiest eater on the planet. 2 thumbs up on the spicy coriander chicken. So if you want to enjoy some spicy coriander chicken, 1, you need to get on the Aroma Share Club so that you can save even more money than you already are at Youngevity. So you're going to get on Youngevity.com and click Aroma Share, add it to your auto ship, so then you save even more because you get free shipping. And then you're going to make all these dishes, invite all your friends over. They're going to try the fabulous recipes that you made with your Aroma Share, and they're going to go, wow, how do I get to join? How do I get to save all this money and eat all this yummy food like Justice got to do? You're like, it's so easy. You just sign up underneath me, and I'll get you right on the auto ship, and then guess what happens a month later? They send you a thank you check. And you're like, yeah, now I have enough to buy my Aroma Share, get all my recipe ingredients, go to essentialforoils.com and buy the awesome bottle kit, everything I need, get myself a book of foundational aromatherapy, all because I invited some friends over to eat some yummy coriander chicken. All right, say goodbye, Justice. You still chewing that up? All right, you want another bite while Monty comes and turns the camera off? Ready? 1 more bite.